Hi guys, welcome to the video. Well, this is a channel in which today I'm going to be unboxing the Selore USB-C hub adapter. It's a multi-port 10-in-1 which includes HDMI and VGA, Ethernet, RJ45 port audio, and we're going to take a look at it. So I hope you liked it. So this I particularly bought it from Amazon, and in the box, as you can see, it comes with the USB-C port, some papers just to get you going, to understand how this you can plug it in. Something that is really nice, they gave me a 5 euros because I'm in Europe, so they give me a €5 discount card. Well, as you can see, this is the Selore USB-C adapter. It's a multi-port, as I said, 10-in-1, which includes a lot of things you can plug in, which is really good because it's USB-C. You have an Ethernet port. You have a VGA port on this side. You have a mic in 3.5 millimeters. You have a HDMI port, a USB-C, which includes you can charge, and then 2 USB-A and 1 USB 3. So it's pretty good. Then you have the micro SD card that is big and the small one. Like you can see, it's really compact. It's really straightforward. You can plug it in. Just one thing that I see is just that the port is the cable is quite short. So thank you for checking out the video. I hope you like it. It's really straightforward, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos about this particular tech.